Ninong Jay and Ninong Faye, congratulations on your wedding day. We love you!
Maligayang pagbati sa inyong dalawa, Jason and Faye. Naway mapuno ng pagmamahalan, pangunawa at matatag na samahan ng inyong bagong buhay na magkasama. Pagmahalan palagi at magsisandalan ninyo ang isa't isa sa lahat ng oras. Huwag magsawang umunawa, pagpatawad at higit sa lahat, pagmahala. Masaganang buhay, mag-asawa sa inyong dalawa. Tutoy, Jay, and Faye, sayang masaya kami para sa inyong dalawa at natupad ninyo ang inyong wish para sa buhay mag-asawa. Congratulations and best wishes!
We love you!
Congratulations! Kuya Jay and Faye, naway maging masagana ang inyong pagsasama na puno ng respeto at magandang alaala bilang mag-asawa. At congratulations din sa inyong unang baby, napakagandang blessing. At masaya ako para sa inyo. Congratulations!
Hello!
Hello!
Best wishes! Jason and Faye. Pasensya na, hindi kami nakarating. Bawi sa next celebration. Masasabi ko lang, magsama sa isentro nyo lagi ang Panginoon. Laging habaan ang pasensya at pangunawa at pagmahalan sa isa't isa. Kino-congratulate ko kayo sa inyong baby. Sana ay lalaki dahil may Amelia na ang pamilya. Pero kung babae, okay na rin. Pwedeng mahiram. We're happy.
Hello, Jason and Faye. Wishing you all the happiness and love on your special day. May your marriage be full of love, happiness and laughter every single day. And good luck on the reveal of your new baby. He or she will be loved by everybody. As I say, wishing you all a long, healthy, lovely marriage together. Take care always. Bye-bye.
Hi, congratulations to both of you, Jason and Faye. And I can't wait to see your baby and hope to see you soon. And happy wedding day to both of you. And see you.
Faye anak, from Tita Mimay with so much love, from home all the way to London. Today is not just two people coming together, but two families to dream and one promise with before the Lord. Marriage is not just about the Philip or the butterfly. It's about choosing to love each other. Even when you're tired, even you're busy, even when you're far from family. But I believe in you both because I see how graceful, responsible, and loving you are. So enjoy your every moment, anak. Love a lot. Pray together and always choose each other. Congratulations and God bless this new chapter of your life. We love you so much.
Congratulations and best wishes, Ate Pepe!
Hi Faye! Congratulations on your wedding. I'm sorry I look like this. I just got home from work and it's actually raining pretty hard here in the Philippines. But I do hope it's not raining in there so that you can enjoy and have a good time at your wedding. I also want to congratulate the two of you on your pregnancy. I hope it's a boy though. Good luck to your journey as husband and wife, and God bless.
Hi Faye, it's your Ate Andy. You're getting married today. You're about to enter a new chapter of your life which is both exciting and maybe a little bit frightening. But I believe that's true for anything that's rooted in love, because love inherently changes us. It compels us to grow as a person, and it opens up this future that we get to share and build together with someone else. I guess what I'm trying to say is that you're about to embark on another journey of transformation, and I hope you get to embrace it. So here's to you guys and everything that's waiting for you on the other side of today. The home you get to build together, the years that you get to spend side by side, the ordinary mornings, the huge milestones, and everything else in between. Anyway, I'm really happy for you guys, and I really wish you well, and congratulations.
Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. I believe this is a bloody married day. Congratulations, Faye. I heard the news, and I'm very disappointed to myself because I will not be able to see you walk the aisle, especially Ninang Claire and Ninang Julius, and I want to see the reaction of your dad, especially. That's a joke. All right. Well, I wish you well on your journey. It's a new life. There are ups and downs, but stay put. Patience, trust is very important. Marriage is not a simple thing. It's just problems, happiness, problems, happiness, problems, happiness. No, it's a joke. Just follow your mom and dad's journey, and you're good. Well, really, congratulations. I haven't met the guy. Watch out, Tell him that your Lola Toots is always here, ready to fly any moment. So, tell him he must not make you cry, And once again, congratulations. It's a long and winding road. The long and winding road. But be careful. Stay happy. Stay cool. And I want to see my grandkids. No. Yeah, maybe in Tagalog, humayo kayo at magpakarami. Bye-bye.
Ninong auguri, di auguro meglio. Mi dispiace di non essere potuto venire, bawi na lang ako next time. Ciao.
Hi, Jason and Faye. Congratulations nga pala sa darating yung wedding ceremony at congratulations.
Hi, Ninong Jay, Ninang Faye. Congratulations.
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Sana magmahalan kayo hanggang gusto nyo.
Stay in love.
Congrats Ninong Jay at Ninang Faye. Happy wedding. Love.
Congrats Ninang Faye. Happy wedding. At we can wait to see baby Indaya. Bye-bye. Love you.
Congrats to Jen Faye.
Happy wedding to Jason and Faye.
Naway ang pag-ibig na inyong pinangako ngayon ay lalo pang tumibay sa bawat pagsubok at tagumpay na inyong haharapin. Sana ando sa maging sentro ng inyong pagsasama at pagsisimula ng panibagong buhay kasama ang inyong baby. Nandito lang kami palagi. Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Maligayang pagbati sa inyong pag-isang dibdib.
Mahal na mahal namin kayo. I love you very, very much.
Congrats sa inyong mag-asawa.
Congrats. Tison, sana ang wish ko sa inyo mag-asawa, mamuhay kayo ng matiwasay. Dalangin ko sa Panginoon na kayo ay maayos ang pamumuhay sa mga darating na panahon. At kung ano mga sigalot sa inyong pagdaraanan ay pasensyahan na lamang at sana kayo magkaroon ng kababaang loob at may takot sa Diyos. At ako yung may mananalangin para sa inyo na sana kayo ay pagkalooban ng Diyos ng masaganang pamumuhay. Yan lang nga kayo masasabi. God bless you all.
Congratulations, Tito Jason and Tita Pay. Happy wedding.
Congrats sa inyong magiging baby.
Bye-bye!
Hi, Totoy Jason. Congratulations and best wishes sa inyong mag-asawa.
Hi, Toto Jason and Faye. Happy wedding sa inyo. Congratulations.
Congrats po sa baby niyo, Tito Jason and Tita Faye.
Congrats po.
Hola, Kujing Faye. Congrats, wish you all the best. Boy, girl, bakla tong boy, basta hindi unggoy.
Everyone, just want to greet the gorgeous couple. Congratulations and best wishes. So happy for you. Anyway, a gentle reminder from your tita. Okay, may the Almighty God be the center of your marriage. Have faith and trust Him completely in everything you do, so that everything will really fall into places and be perfectly fine. Wishing you all the best in life, more joy, love, success, happiness, good health, and great life ahead. Once again, congratulations and best wishes. Cheers to a beautiful journey together. God bless your marriage. Okay? Okay, love you guys and enjoy the moment. Bye!
Hi! Hello! Congratulations, Faye! Oh, nabalitaan ko pa mag-aasawa ka na. At na-surprise din ako na sinabi nga ni mama mo na magkakaroon siya ng apo bigla. Sana maging maganda ang magiging buhay ninyo. Alam ko naman, masaya kayo dyan. Sa wedding ninyo, magpadala ka sa amin ng picture para makita namin. Para makita namin kung anong hinandaan ninyo dyan sa wedding mo, kung paano kayo magkakasalan dyan. Kasi ibang kasalan dito sa Manila, sa kasalan ninyo dyan sa abroad. Sa pagbalik mo rito, sigurado, may kasama ka ng baby bubot, sabi ko. Best wishes na lang, sabi mo na lang din doon sa magiging husband mo. Hindi man namin siya kakilala, sana kako maging mabait din siyang batang kamukha ninyo. Kamukha mo, Faye, tsaka si Cheche. Si Cheche, alam ko yung nabalitaan niya na o nagsabi ka na mag-aasawa ka, napaiyak daw si Cheche. Siyempre, ganun talaga, kakambal mo siya eh. Kumbaga, nalulungkot siya, wala na siyang kasamang natutulog sa bahay. At ganun din sa mga mami at daddy mo. Sana yung magiging asawa mo, Faye, mabait din katulad ng daddy mo. Marunong sa bahay, marunong magluto. At talagang maasahan mo rin siya sa bahay ninyo. At dapat marunong ka rin makisama dun sa magiging biyanan mo. Kung sino man sila. So, God bless na lang. Mag-ingat ka, ha? Mag-asa pag nanganak ka, pag anuhan mo, pagsikapan mo yung mailabas mo yung baby mo. Ano ba kaya ang baby na yan? Lalaki ba o babae? Sana babae para magagayakan mo na siya. Bye-bye. I love you. I love you to all. Si Mami, Daddy, tsaka Cheche. I love you.
Hello, I'm Nicole, the cousin of Ate Faye. So I just want to say congratulations on your wedding day, Ate Faye and Kuya Jason. Wishing you both a lifetime of love, happiness, and countless blessings as you begin this beautiful journey together. May your marriage always be filled with joy, peace, and understanding. I can't wait to meet the little one someday and to see the beautiful family you've built together. I still remember lying down beside Lola while she was watching a TV. When she suddenly told me she hoped she'd still to get to see you have a baby even though she's already getting old. Nunduman ko gingagin, uy, tagid ko nga, Nick, tani, nga, buhi pa ko kung magkabata na si Ate Faye mo, no? Para makita ko man nga may apo na bila si Tito Julius. But even though she's no longer here, I know that she's smiling from heaven and happy and proud of you. I know she and Lolo are celebrating this special day with you both in spirit. So once again, congratulations, Ate Faye and Kuya Jason. Wishing you both a lifetime of love, happiness, and blessed marriage. Love you both.
Hello, I'm Arabella and I'm the cousin of Ate Faye. Congratulations, Ate Faye and Kuya Jason. I'm so happy for both of you. May God bless your marriage with love, joy, and happiness. Ate Faye, I'm so excited to meet your baby soon. Always love and take care of each other. Congratulations and God bless you both.
Hi, my name is Christian. I am the cousin of Ate Faye. I just want to say congratulations to both Ate Faye and Kuya Jason on their marriage. I hope that you live a wonderful and fulfilling life. I hope that your family will have a nurturing environment, and I wish you the best in this new chapter in your life.
Hi, I'm Gemma, Tita of Faye. Congratulations to you and Jason on your wedding. I'm so happy for you. Welcome to a new chapter of your life, from single to married, and soon, by God's perfect time, becoming a wonderful mommy. As you start this beautiful journey together, always choose love, understanding, patience, and respect. Hindi man laging madali ang pagsasama, basta magtulungan at huwag kalimutang mahalin ang isa't isa araw-araw. Take care of each other always, and may God continue to bless your marriage with happiness and good health and endless love. Congratulations once again. We love you both. God bless your married life.
Tito Raymond is here, Faye's uncle. Hello, Faye, Jason. I just want to congratulate you for your upcoming wedding, and congratulations also for the special blessing that is on the way, of course, the baby. And my advice is that love each other every day, respect, and I know that you'll be good as a parent. I love you both, and God bless.
Good evening po. Hello everyone. I'm Tito Mike, brother of Ate Claire, Pei's mom. Hello Pei. Congratulations for the next chapter of your life. We're very happy and excited for the coming of a new blessing. Always follow your mom and dad reminders because they know what's best and good for you. And to my new nephew, Jenson, your behalf, always take care and love our Ate Pei. Protect and understand her. We love you both and God bless you.
Hi, Faye. Tita Mean here. It feels like only yesterday you were a little girl and now you're starting a beautiful family of your own. I am so proud of the wonderful woman you've become. As you embrace marriage and motherhood, always choose love, kindness, forgiveness, and keep God at the center of your home. The journey won't always be easy, but it will one of the greatest blessings of your life. Congratulations, Faye and Jason. We love you and will always be here for you. May God bless you and your marriage and your growing family always. Bye-bye.
Hi Ate Feifei, Kuya Jason, and everyone. I'm Miguel, Ate Feifei's cousin. Congratulations to you and Kuya Jason on your wedding. I'm so happy for both of you and I wish you a lifetime of love, happiness, and God's blessings. My advice to always communicate, be patient with each other, and never stop choosing one another every day. As you begin this new chapter in your journey into motherhood, cherish every moment because time goes by so fast. And Kuya Jason, please take good care of my cousin. Protect her and always make her smile. Continue to love and support each other through every last season of life. Congratulations again. I love you both and wish you a lifetime of happiness together.
Congratulations, Tote Jason and Faye. Wishing you all the best, love and happiness. Love you.
Tote Jason, happy wedding, Faye. Sana kayo'y magpakarami. Dahil nyo dito sa Pinas. Naalaga ako din sa talumbang ng inyong mga anak. Mag-iingat kayo palagi. Sana maging successful lang yung pagsasama. Masaya ako sa inyong pagpapakasal. Sana maging matagumpay kayo at lagi kayong masaya sa inyong pagsasama.
Ha?
Ang ganda na lang, tutoy. Ingat kayo, ingat.
Congratulations, newlyweds! Jason and Faye, nawa ay maging sentro ng pagmamahalan nyo ay ang Panginoon. And congrats din at magkakaroon na kayo ng baby. God bless sa inyong dalawa.
And may God continue to bless your growing family.
Congratulations!
Hi, Jason and Faye. Congratulations on your wedding day and the coming of the new baby. Enjoy your celebrations. Congratulations!
Hello, Ninong and Ninang. Congratulations to your wedding. Magmahalan lang kayo palagi. Enjoyin lang ang buhay ng may asawa. And welcome to parenthood. Congratulations to your coming baby. Sana baby boy. Baby boy. Bye!
Hi, Jason, Faye. Congratulations on your wedding day. I wish I could be there with you on this special occasion, but unfortunately, I can't because I'm in the Philippines. I wish you both the best of good luck for the coming future and congratulations on your forthcoming baby, whatever the gender is. It is a God blessing. Have a wonderful time. God bless you both. Love you, Lolo Mel.
Happy wedding, Kuya Jay and Ate Faye.
Happy wedding sa inyong mag-asawa, Jason and Faye. Sana marami pang anniversary ang dumating.
Congrats both!
Congrats! At sa inyong baby, congrats!
God bless!
Hi, this is Sandino, Ate Faye's cousin. A big congratulations on the wedding. I pray that you will live long, happy, fruitful lives together. I can't wait to see you again. See you soon.
Hello, I am Angel. I am Manang Faye's tita or aunt, technically, but we are closer to cousins. I'd like to congratulate Manang Faye on her marriage and her pregnancy. I wish you both a wonderful marriage, a happy family, and I wish you both many blessings to come. Come visit us at Iloilo. Congratulations!
Hello, I'm Carol and I am Faye's tita. This message is for you, Jason, as you embark on your journey of becoming a husband to the sweetest person I know and to become a father to your children. Consider yourself fortunate to have Faye as your wife. We love her so much and we expect you to love her just as much. Be kind to her and be nurturing to your children. Otherwise, I will see you in court.
Hello, I'm Joel. I'm Tito Got, and I'm the Lolo or Tito of Pepe. I wish you the best in your married life, Pepe. Best wishes.